This video contains sequences of graphic and profane language which may not be appropriate for some audiences, especially children. If you're a child, leave the room now. Seriously. Hey, what's up, friends and family members? It's your buddy Ben, aka the Fat Kid Deuce. You want to see some bullshit? Check this out.
Yeah, lovely day of bullshit right there. That fucking thing hit that fucking thing. Yeah, nice job, lady.
Yeah, right? The fuck happened? I'll tell you what happened. Distracted driver. This broad, after she finishes plowing through my buddy Joe's truck, and Joe, really sorry about your truck. Everybody, I give Joe a lot of shit because he's one of my best friends, but nothing that I hold against him would ever make me want anything bad to happen to him. We had been talking about this plan to go check out some new business opportunities for the last year. We saved pennies, dimes, quarters, nickels, dollars, $2 bills. Hell, Limp Bizkit had a $3 bill. I went and searched for it, all to try and get ourselves ready and check out Barton's Discount Warehouse. They sell pallets and just about anything else, like excess stuff that isn't valuable to other retail outlets anymore. They pretty much get bought in mass by these type of discount warehouse situations, where then they create like pallets of stuff where you go check it out. So Christmas returns had just finished coming in, and it was time to act on our plans. We got to about 290, 294. We're supposed to take the exit for 294 to Indiana. Joe misses the turn. No big deal. We've done this before. Hell, it's not the first time I've been to a festival. Shit, have you ever been in Chicago? Your GPS will go out anywhere. I mean, don't go on Lower Wacker, because you might find Batman down there. Anyways, so we get back on. We take Mannheim, going around. We get back on 290, I-88. We're approaching the exit for 294 again. Up ahead on our left, there's a disabled car. They've got the Illinois Towway tow truck there helping it out. So what happens? The two left-hand lanes kind of slow down, and we start to merge to go around this car because we're not trying to get in a fucking accident. So at one point, me and Joe, me being a passenger, Joe being the driver, we come to a complete and total stop behind a Toyota Corolla. It's an old fella. He's just minding his own business. Hell, like I said, everybody up to this point is just trying to respect each other. About 3 seconds go by and BAM! Fucking take it right in the back. Right in the back. I don't know, I think it was like a Nissan Altima or something, but literally totals our whole freaking car. I mean, seriously, we're missing a goddamn wheel. Where's our wheel, Nancy? At that point, I mean, it's like an explosion goes off. Like, we get hit from the rear at like 70 miles per hour, pushes this 2015 LTE. It's like a top-notch truck. Literally, this motherfucker just bought this goddamn thing. He just bought this fucking truck this year. Was in the shop for 6 weeks, gets it back. We're on the road. We're following our dreams. Yeah, man, we've been talking about this for a year. All right. Miss the turn, get back on. We get plowed into by some broad who... We get plowed into by a young lady who was distracted by her phone. Literally, you know how I know that? Because she gets out of the car with her phone in her hand. Lady, get off your fucking phone. Do you know what these are? These are earbuds. Everybody should have a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. If you go driving, you should have these in your fucking ear so that if anybody calls you, you can have a hands-free phone call. Your hands should be on the wheel at 2 and 10. That is taught you in fucking driver's ed. Do we even do driver's ed anymore? Or we just fucking handed people driver's license and like, go create some mayhem? I mean, shit, is that the point of the general? The general's like, I'll get you ready to fucking create mayhem. Sign up with the general to save some time. Let me get you a tank. Get out there. Crash some shit, buddy. Literally, I'm sitting here trying to figure out why that happens because I kind of feel like in life things happen for a reason. The only thing I can really think of is if we weren't in between the gray Toyota Corolla and the white Nissan Altima, that elderly fella wouldn't be walking away from that crash. See, after we get hit by the white Nissan Altima, our car gets literally pushed straight into the Toyota Corolla in front of us. I mean, literally, there's like an explosion in our engine and there's smoke. It's like it's like we're playing Call of Duty and somebody threw like a flashbang. It's like, you okay, Joe? I got ringing in my ears. Joe's like, where's my glasses? I can't find my glasses. And I'm just like, I'm sorry, man. I literally just, like, I'm in the car with you. I can't find your fucking glasses. Everything's smoky. I'm like, oh, you know what might happen? Let's see if we can roll down the window and let some of this smoke out. So the smoke clears. It's like a 3 6 Mafia album. When the smoke clears, I look in the back and there's his glasses behind my seat. So I reach down and grab them. I'm like, oh, here you go, Joe. Here's your glasses. I'm sorry. Almost instantly, the cops are there with us. And they're like, the fuck happened, fellas? And I'm like, well, the back of our fucking car is tore up. The front of her car is fucking tore up. I don't think you need to be a rocket scientist to see what's going on. So, you want to know what she told the cops? I shit you not. When she was rationalizing how all this happened, she said, I tried to tell them to get out of the way. Okay. I wish that you had telepathic powers so I could have heard that. But you don't. And you didn't. And you were distracted on your phone. You plowed into somebody at 70 miles per hour, injured the person in front of us. I mean, I don't even know. Like, I kind of feel a little bit fucked up. But I'm not taking a $4,000 ambulance ride to the hospital just so they can stick me with a $12,000 bill. Sure, yeah, you could sue that bitch, but like, she probably doesn't have the money. I mean, this girl is getting out and putting clothes in like plastic bags. That car was probably her fucking life. And no offense, when you accrue 6 tickets on site, you probably shouldn't have a license. I don't think we want you behind the wheel of a car. You should take public transportation for a little bit. Seriously, maybe unplug from social media for a little bit and like return to reality. Take your phone, throw it out of the window, and return to reality. Somebody could have died there today. And if it wasn't for Joe's truck being in between a gray Toyota Corolla, an older gentleman, and a fucking Nancy behind us, he might be dead. And I'm happy he's not. And I'm happy Joe's okay, because at least he's got good insurance that'll take care of it. And I'll tell you what, thank God he was driving a truck. I can give a shit whether it's a Chevy, a Dodge, or a Ford. The fact that it was a truck probably saved our life and the life of the fella in front of us. Yeah, it's going to get totaled out, but neither one of us is dead or broken in a hospital. And that's what's really important. And I'm just going to end it by saying this. Guys, why are we so distracted by everything? Why can't we wait an hour to respond to somebody? And on the other end, why can't you wait an hour for somebody to respond to you? Like, is our self-esteem so low we need to be reaffirmed every single second of our day, every minute, every waking hour, every fucking year? I mean, seriously, 2020 was absolute bum as fuck. Do we want 2021 to be a dumpster fire too? Enough. If you're driving, focus on the task at hand. There's no reason to put anybody else's life at risk just because you want to talk on the phone. Once again, if you want to talk on the phone, earbuds. Earbuds. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for listening to me rant. It wasn't a great day. I wanted to make a vlog on going out to Barton's Discount Warehouse and seeing what they got, but it'll just have to wait for another time. To all my friends and family members and awesome supporters, thank you so much. God bless you all, and please, stay safe. I love every single one of you so much, and I don't want anything bad to happen to you. So keep your noodle and noggin working, keep your eyes in front, be aware of what's behind. Just keep trucking, baby. Keep trucking, yeah!